Hi, I'm Patrick O'Brien, co-founder of executor.org. In just a couple short minutes today, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to hire an estate attorney. You don't have to be alone when it comes to performing your executor duties. Even if you use a tool like executor.org, you may find that you'll want professional help. The work these professionals do is typically paid for by the estate, as is the cost of a tool like executor.org. Even if you hire professionals to help, you'll still want to personally understand the executor role. That way, you can be comfortable that the professionals are doing a great job for you and be as efficient as possible with their time, saving money in the process. So, where do you start if you want to hire professionals to help? We'd recommend starting with an estate attorney. Unless you have extensive knowledge of taking an estate through the probate process or are willing to commit the time to learn this process, you will likely want to hire a lawyer to help. Lawyers can be a tremendous help, but they can also be expensive. So, finding the right lawyer is important so you can get the job done correctly and as efficiently as possible. There are 5 things you'll want to consider when hiring an attorney. Number 1, do they specialize in estate work? There are many different kinds of attorneys. Find one that has meaningful experience doing estate work. Experience matters, especially in dealing with the many issues that can come up with your beneficiaries. 2, do they practice in the will writer's state of residency? The estate will be settled in the state of residence of the will writer. You'll want an attorney who's licensed to practice in that state, not yours. 3. What do they anticipate it will cost to settle this estate? It is perfectly acceptable to ask an attorney what he or she anticipates the cost will be based on the specifics of the estate. This number may change if you encounter unanticipated complexity, but it's an important starting point. 4. Do they have good references? You can ask to speak with past clients. When you do, ask questions like, was their initial cost estimate accurate? Was the attorney quick to respond to questions? And were you satisfied with the work the attorney did? 5. Are they a good fit for you personality-wise? Finding an attorney you feel comfortable with is important. It's important to remember that you'll be working with this individual for about a year. So be sure you select an attorney who's a good fit personally. So, what do you do if you don't know any attorneys? If you don't know any attorneys, contact the State Bar Association. The contact information can be found online. They can provide you a list of local attorneys or they can direct you to the local bar association. You can also ask friends who've used attorneys if they know any who they would recommend. Now that you've considered the 5 questions above, you'll be able to determine if an attorney is a good fit for you and for your needs. And remember, the better you understand the executor process, the more effective and efficient you'll be in both hiring and working with an attorney. Let the attorney do the work you need a professional to do. Perform the steps that don't require legal expertise yourself. This will save you time and money and help you perform better in the role. Thank you for letting us help. To learn more about your 100+ duties as an executor, visit us at executor.org.